unboxed, picked, and gutted. Picked and gutted right out of the box. Hey guys, it's Joe with Average Joe Locksport. These were the mortise cylinders and padlocks and cylinder locks that I unboxed the other day. I just wanted to show you what we're going to be working on in the next few videos. So anyway, let's get stuff out of the way that we're not going to work on today. So let's start with, it doesn't matter, I guess. Let's start with these two. Okay, well, we got standard mortise cylinders, high quality, precision depths and spacing, solid brass construction, 2 keys included. Mortise cylinders, there we go, made in China, so that should tell you something. Length, 1.25 inches, Keyway Schleg. So let's see what we got here. Key does work. We're not going to open the other one. No reason to at the moment. Bottom of the keyway. My trusty snake rake. And let's see if we can get this thing open. And there we go. Oops, there was our open. God, I closed it pretty quick. I don't know if we noticed if it was opened or not. Let's try it again. And there we go. So there's our open, guys. Alright, let's close it back. Get the key. That works. Okay, move it out of the way. Move this stuff out of the way. Move this. Alright. And let's go ahead and gutter. Okay. Get the tailpiece off. Okay, there's the tailpiece off, and I do have a bigger pinning tray, but we're going to try the little one. Both of them came from 3D Locksport. Okay, so there's that. Hit the key, give her a turn. Let's see what follower we got here. Let's put that back. Oh, damn. Almost had it. Almost had another blow up there. Which I think we had a little one because I can feel the spring stuck. Alright, but I think we'll be able to save this. Okay. There we go there. Okay. Here's the core. As you can see, everything looks like it's working there. So let's go ahead and take the key out. But I did notice we got a 6-cylinder core. Only 5 of them are keyed. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. 1. Pin 2. Pin 3. Pin 4. Okay, whoa, I might have made a mistake. Maybe all 6 of them were pinned up. God, I swore they wasn't unless 2 pins came out on pin number 5. No, must have been 6 of them were pinned up. Check the last one. Come on. Oh, I bet you I know what this is. I bet you this is one that fell out from up top there. Because I did feel it starting to mess up when I... Oh, I hope... No, I didn't go out of frame. Okay, so there's that. The keys. Let's go ahead and... We're going to leave that one there because I think that was one of the pins that came out of the top. When I started unpinning this, I started off wrong and I think one of the pins dropped down. And last time I did my gutting, I used these tweezers, but I am going to use these tweezers this time where they automatically, actually it works backwards but holds the pin, you can't drop it. So let's go ahead and start the inside gutting here and see what we got. Okay, and of course I started wrong. And there is number 1 pin. Number 1 spring. And like I said, that one there I think dropped down from here into the core when I first did the ungutting, or when I first pulled the key. I almost pulled the whole core out, and I'm 99% sure that's what it was. Alright, do pin 2. Pin 2 spring. Pin 3. Pin 3 spring. Pin 4. Pin 4 spring. Okay, and if you can see that spring got mangled. I knew when I pulled it out, that core, for that split second, and I forgot to turn it. And that's where that other pin came from, and that's what it jammed up. Because there is no pin left in cylinder 5. Which means that's 5, and this pin here is 5. So there it is, guys. There is our HQ cylinder, picked and gutted. We almost had a misfortune when I first, again, like I said, when I first started doing it, you guys see me, I went to pull the key out and the core came out just that little bit. Shoved it back in quick, but it wasn't quick enough. The spring had already kind of came out, and that's why that key pin popped out of the core, because it fell down in there. But anyway, we saved it. So let's get everything back in place here. And give you guys a look. There's our bottom, core, springs, pins. And it pretty much looks like, obviously, it was made in China. You can see everything there. Pretty much all looks standard. But there's that mangled spring, and I know I did it when I accidentally pulled it out. So, but we saved it. No major explosion. There you go, guys. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video. Bye.